Hey everybody, this is Matt Breckwald with the Off-Farm Income Podcast. Just want to brief you on a couple episodes coming out I think are going to be useful for you in your pursuit of your farming lifestyle. First, the Off-Farm Income Podcast, episode number 564, is an episode all about a creative way to finance your farming dream. There's a company called Harvest Returns that contacted me, and after I talked with them about what they do, decided to have them on as a guest. So we've got an episode featuring a different model of using investors to finance your farming operations and avoiding debt. So rather than leveraging debt, getting investors to help you make your whatever it is you need to do on your farm come true, whether that's land purchases all the way up to expanding land, buying livestock, buying equipment. And what was really interesting in the interview is he brought up on his own, you might have farming experience but be stuck in a cubicle somewhere and you want to get back to the farm, and they could possibly help you with that. So I hope you'll tune into the Off-Farm Income Podcast, and that'll be out on February 8th. And check that one out. That's going to be a really, really interesting episode. You can find that on Spotify, iHeartRadio, iTunes, or go over to my website at offincome.com to check out that episode. Then over on the D&B Supply Show podcast, you can find that on SoundCloud as well as iTunes. We're going to be talking with the University of Idaho Extension about a small farm webinar series they've got coming up to help people be successful on their small farms. Now, you can attend this webinar series even if you live all the way across the country. You do not have to live in Idaho. You just have to sign up and attend it. It'll be really interesting for you to hear about all the different things they're offering to help people succeed in their small farming ventures. So if you're a small farmer, you're looking for a way to increase capital or maybe find new markets where you can market your goods, or maybe even slightly modify your operation to approach some emerging markets in agriculture and see what's going on, that would be a great episode for you to tune into so you can find out more information about that small farm webinar series that's coming up here over the next couple of months. So this week, I hope you'll check out both the Off-Farm Income Podcast, episode number 564, as well as the D&B Supply Show podcast, all about the small farm webinar series. All right, good luck, everybody. Hope everything goes just like you want it to on your farming venture.